again, and now as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and my eyes. I've already prepped my face with a moisturizer. I'll be using a foundation by ESTEE LAUDER. It's double wear. Now, I'm gonna mix a liquid hydrating blush with my foundation to get a rosy, glowy, dewy texture. Blend it well. Just apply it on your face. The concealer that I'm gonna use today is Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal Paris, and it is in the shade Amber 312.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
using mineral powder on the concealed areas because it gives that smooth, healthier touch when the concealer at some point decides to dry out. You know what I'm talking about, right, girls? So I'm just gonna dab it. Just dab it. There, over this side. And you can see the difference once you try it. You may not see the difference in the video, but like you can definitely see the difference once you do it yourself. I got my contour palette by Sugar Hair, and I'm gonna start contouring, and I'm gonna be using this brush to contour my face. This part of my cheeks, and I don't want to give any flushed bright look, so I'm gonna go with a subtle color that blends with the contour just to give it a natural shade. Now on with the highlighter. Alright ladies, last but not the least, lips. So I'm going to use this lip liner. I'm just gonna draw a little bit, I'm just gonna overline it a little bit, not much. And I'm just gonna overline it like halfway, not all the way down. Just till there, yes. And from here to here, on the lower lips, yes. It works, you'll see. For me it works. So now time to put on some lipstick, and it's by NYKAA. The links will be in the description box down below. Now it's time to prime your eyes. So using the eyeshadow palette by Sugar, I'm gonna use this brush to brush my eyelids. It's a very subtle color, and ladies, don't judge my eyes, because I actually I was in a hurry to open. I think I didn't let it dry. This is not exactly an eyeliner, it's a magnetic eyelash glue, which looks like an eyeliner. I actually love it because it works 2 in 1. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like, please subscribe, a comment down below, push the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video, and do share because it helps me a lot. Thank you so much. So this is a very simple video, there's nothing much about it. It's a soft glam look that I put up this time, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes, give and take, depends. And if you're interested in the products that I've used, the links will be in the description box down below. So my bebecitas, mamacitas, my lovely ladies and my sisters, thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning once again. And please, so we're here to glow, we're not here to feel low. So keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.